Hello, welcome back. In this video we are going to adjust some stuffs, and there is something I want to show you. I wanted to create an opening using shaft, using this tool, shaft tool, this one. But if you could remember, this flow we created it using a casework. We created it using sweep. It's a casework. So I tried to create the shaft, but it didn't go through. The shaft should, for example, let's say this one is a normal flow. So what shaft does is, let's go ahead and create a hole here. Let's go back to DPC level, for example, DPC. And let's say we want to create a hole right here. So using shaft, just go to architecture, and here using this tool you can click it, and let's click on cycle, and let's just draw a normal cycle just like that, and just finish the mod and go to 3D view and take a look. So this is what we created. What shaft does is, right now this cylinder did not go through this flow. If it goes through it, it is going to create a hole. When we click on nothing, when we take a look, you see we have created a hole. So this is what I wanted to do in this casework, but it didn't work. I thought it works for everything, but it seems like it works only on floors or walls, not caseworks. And now even if we were to do it again, let's go back to level 4, and let's go to architecture, let's click on shaft and use this cycle, and maybe just draw something here, and then finish the mod and go to 3D view and take a look. Let's see where it is. Yeah, there it is. So when I dragged it out, it's supposed to cut the casework. Let me take a look. So you see, it didn't cut it. It did not do it. So that means it doesn't work on caseworks, only on floors. So therefore we have to delete this. Let's delete this shaft, and also this one, let's delete it, and let's delete this casework also. Let's just delete it. And now what to do is to create a flow. Let's go to level 3 and let's create a flow. Instead of that sweep, let's click on flow, let's use line, and now let's follow the wall line. This is the wall line. Let's just follow it. Click here, and then let's go this side, click it here, let's go there, click there. This is the form of our flow. Let's finish, and no, let's edit type and duplicate it. Let's use new flow. New flow already in use. So instead of that, let's just click here and new flow. Because I wanted to do it, I gave it a try, so that is why I already named it like that. So there we go. That is our flow. So now we can go ahead and create the shaft. Let's go to level 3 again. Let's turn on hidden line. Oh, let's go back to wireframe. Now let's click on shaft, let's click on cycle. Now let's create something around here. Let's leave it 100. There it is. Let's click it and move it to place. Let's say this is where we want it to be, somewhere around here. So now we'll make a coffee make sure multiple is checked on. So we click on it and drag, and holding shift will make sure that your cycle is moving straight. It will not go otherwise, to only go straight. So now you can type 1500. That's the distance I want them to be. The distance between each hole should be 1500. Go ahead there, 1500. We can, let's see, let's put one again, 1500. So this one, let's leave it as 2000. Alright, let's leave it just like that. Or we can make the distance to be, let's just leave it like that. It's just for the sake of this tutorial. It's just to help you understand how you can do this thing, not to do anything according to, you know, standard or anything. So clicking on them, you can just drag them down somewhere. Even if it's like this, it's okay. Drag that one down, because if you leave it like this long, so what if to say maybe you're building a duplex, so whatever you build, if it goes through that shaft, it will be cut, the holes will come out of it. So let's leave it something like that. That's more like it. So now let's take a look. There you can see it. We have our hole. I think it's like the holes are so small. Let's click it, and alright, let's leave it somewhere around here, and let's drag it more somewhere around here, and let's leave it like that. So now let's take a look. There you can see them. That is the hole. So we can go ahead and create one here also, where the water will fall. Let's go back to level 3 again, and just click on shaft and create it again. Let's just create one here. Let's type 100, that is the radius. Let's bring it down here, somewhere around here. Let's leave it that way, or maybe here. And now let's make a copy. Let's type 1500 and 1500 again. And let's come this way. Let's just put even one. It's okay. Alright, let's Control Z. Let's click it, make a copy again, bring it down 15. Let's click OK, and now let's kind of, let's hit digital line. Let's make it straight, something like something to guide us. Let's move this one somewhere around here. That is better. Let's delete this line, and then let's take a look. So we all, everywhere we have the shaft. That is what I wanted to create. So now let's take a look on 3D view 1, so you can see it clearly. We can also make another view. Let's go to DPC level, and let's take a camera and take a look. So now we have another view. Something like that. We can tumble and write it off like this. Come on, what's wrong? That is more like it. All right. Okay, that's all. I think let's turn on the shaded mode. That's more better. So in the next video we'll make some adjustment. That is that for this video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.